electric bicycles, car sharing, e-scooters. These are new services that are being rolled out across Europe. And these services generate a lot of data. And we need to make sure that this data are handled appropriately, not only by service providers, but also by cities.
Rideshare platform providers like Uber understand that municipalities and city governments need a certain amount of data to help with their traffic management and city planning. What we ask is that in obtaining that data, that they follow appropriate data privacy and security norms and laws so that it's a win-win for them and the customers as well.
There's more and more data out there in the market, and I think a lot of our members, they acknowledge that the private sector sometimes has better or more data than they have. So rather than them actually investing in expensive systems to gather data, if they could get data from these third parties in order to perform their transport management tasks.
For these solutions to work, we need good, solid arrangements for data sharing between city authorities and solutions providers, so that city authorities have information that's necessary for traffic planning, city planning, urban environment management. And we also need these solutions to give users confidence that their data is being dealt with in a secure and proper and reasonable way.
Digitization has made data the new fuel for new mobility services. And the Commission is really also committed to making sure that we have availability of data, that data can be reused, can be shared, and that we have a level playing field for all users of data.
Definitely the part of their job and the essential part is the processing of the data of the drivers and the objects which can be associated with the drivers. And in all the situations where this data is shared with different kind of brokers, where also the public authorities can be such a brokers, they have to bear in mind that the purposes for which the data were collected first for the urban mobility might not be the only purpose for which the data will be used. And all the situations where we try to assess the person according to the data used from the mobility services might create additional dangers for the person.